Have you ever wondered how digital forensics investigators recover deleted files, crack passwords, or trace cybercriminals across a hard drive? It's not magic, it's the tools. In this video, we're diving into Chapter 6, Current Digital Forensics Tools from the Guide to Computer Forensics and Investigations, 6th edition, to show you what's in the toolbox of modern digital detectives. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a classmate or colleague who's getting into digital forensics. This helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss an important lecture. Digital forensics is only as good as the tools you use. Chapter 6 is all about understanding the current generation of forensic software and hardware, what they do, how they work, and how to choose the right one for your investigation. We start with acquisition tools. These are the foundation of any forensic case. Your job is to create a bit-by-bit forensic image of a drive or device without altering the original data. Tools like FTK Imager, EnCE, ProDiscover, and even open-source options like DD are used to capture that image safely. You'll often pair these with write blockers to prevent accidental changes to the source media. Once you have an image, you need to verify its integrity. That's where hashing tools come in. Using algorithms like MD5, SHA-1, or SHA-256, you create a digital fingerprint of the original data. If your forensic image and the original drive produce matching hash values, you can prove the data hasn't been tampered with. This step is crucial to maintaining the chain of custody. Next are extraction tools. These help you pull specific artifacts from the system: deleted files, browser histories, registry entries, email headers, and more. Software like X-Ways Forensics, Autopsy, and Magnet Axiom are commonly used for this. Some of these suites combine extraction and analysis, making it easier to follow an investigative trail. Then we move to analysis tools. These are the brains of your operation. They allow you to rebuild timelines, identify suspicious patterns, visualize connections, and flag anomalies. Tools like Wireshark are essential for analyzing network traffic, while Volatility helps you dig into memory dumps to find malicious processes or encryption keys. These tools transform raw data into insights. Reporting tools are the final stage. All your findings must be documented clearly and professionally. Your reports need to outline what tools you used, what you found, and how you interpreted the evidence. Many forensic suites include built-in reporting features, but you should always customize reports for clarity and audience relevance. A big point the chapter emphasizes is this: no tool is perfect. Just because a tool shows you something doesn't make it 100% reliable. You must understand what's happening under the hood, what algorithms the tool uses, how it parses data, and what its limitations are. Blind reliance on software can undermine your credibility in court. Another key takeaway: test your tools. Create your own test images, experiment with recovery scenarios, compare outputs, and get to know how your toolkit behaves in different conditions. Many forensic tools are available in free or trial versions, giving you a chance to learn without needing a full lab setup. And remember, the digital landscape is always changing. File systems evolve, encryption gets stronger, and new malware appears daily. That means forensic tools must constantly update too. Staying current is part of your job. Follow developer forums, attend workshops, and stay sharp. In summary, Chapter 6 gives you a solid foundation for working with forensic tools, from acquisition and validation to extraction, analysis, and reporting. The goal isn't to memorize a tool's interface, it's to understand the process and how the tools fit into it. If you found this lecture helpful, go ahead and like the video, drop a comment below with your favorite forensic tool, and share it with someone studying cybersecurity or forensics. Don't forget to subscribe to catch the next video. Chapter 7 is all about Linux and Mac file systems, and you won't want to miss that. Until next time, analyze carefully, document everything, and always stay forensic.